I did not realize I was painting the ceilings. That's why I told you I was filming today. My arms and everything yesterday were killing me. I'm like, I am so out of shape.
Dude, painting sucks, man. Painters, you guys,
dude, you
painters,
guys, I'm telling you,
you're worth every penny.
Oh,
because I don't know how you do it. You get above your head. You're in corn. I mean, is it looking good though? Dude, when I paint mine, I get more paint everywhere. It's just horrible.
I painted so again. I don't know why. Like so I go to Sherwin-Williams now. Why their drywall primer doesn't match their CB white stock paint? They should match, but there's a different color on them. And now I get to see everything that's different.
My gripe with Sherwin-Williams is when I did my job, like I need new paint, and then they kept mixing the satin with the flat in the same color. So literally, like it was a new girl, and she was mixing it. So Larry would paint a wall. I'm like, oh my god, Larry, that looks like horrible. You can see everything. He's like, yeah, I don't know. It's got a shine on it. It's supposed to be flat. So then he'd roll it flat, and still some shine. I mean, my house looks like crap because of Sherwin-Williams.
Oh, see, I love their paint, man. I think I absolutely love their paint.
Honestly, I like Behr from Home Depot.
I think I like Sherwin-Williams. Behr's good.
I don't know, man. I've always had good luck with Behr. That marquee, dude, it's just like
that's a good paint.
It's a nice paint, dude. It's a nice paint,
No, I think honestly,
I don't know why I went Sherwin-Williams. I really don't. I think because I had a contractor. I got a contractor discount. Well, and I'm not knocking them. Everybody uses them.
I'm not. No, because they've got. It was interesting because when I was researching. Well, I'm not going to even get into it.
Yeah, we're here to talk about RYOBI today, guys. It might be RYOBI week. You might be seeing RYOBI videos
or
every
it might be
day.
RYOBI 3 days.
HP horsepower, but what is it?
High performance, but I do like the horsepower.
No, I like that. Hey, man, it's RYOBI. Horsepower, HP, you guys. Ever since RYOBI went to the green colors, I feel their horsepower has increased, which is why the RYOBI line is really popular, right? I mean, they took a battery platform and did not change it. So, and you're old. If you have one of those old blue and yellow or blue and orange, what color is that?
I still see them. Yeah, I think they're yellow, but someone told me they're orange. But it's like blue and yellow.
I know. When people tell you that, you think you're going crazy or you're getting colorblind.
Now, here's one for you. In Monopoly, which do you remember the one property? Was that pink or purple? Do you remember the? You probably don't. You haven't played the game in years.
No, I got kids, I remember Park Place. Oh, it's a good game. You played the board game.
Yeah, the board game. But I'm thinking, I look at it as purple. Everyone tells me it's pink, so I have to be colorblind, which I never knew it. So until my kids told me, so thanks. But anyway, so what were we talking about?
I think as you get older, you guys, horsepower, HP. Basically, you take their old tools. You can plug these lithium-ion batteries in, even the latest and greatest ones that they have, and it will boost that tool's power, and you won't blow it up, and it's all
Isn't that smart? They're one of the only people who actually did not make you change battery platforms.
Right. Why did everybody go to slide packs? What's the difference? You know what I'm saying? I mean, slide packs, I guess, are nice. I don't know. Whatever. I'm not a tool executive.
But I'm saying, like, some of the people, when they upgraded and all that, you had to, then the batteries changed with it, too. Where, like you're saying, that one, you could, that's why it's called, what is it, +1? Or 1+?
1+.
Because you can use that battery across it.
Yeah. And there's, like, hundreds and hundreds of tools, you guys. This is their right angle. What's a couple things you noticed right away about the right angle drill, Eric?
Well, I think the biggest thing is what you talked about is the HP for the high performance of the brushless tool, which is probably new to them on that.
Right.
You know, that's what I first noticed with here. But honestly, it was the power, like when you were using it.
Okay. For me, it was the size.
Yeah.
It's so compact. Actually, it's Achilles' heel is the battery on this situation.
It is.
Because look, right here you have this thing. But then a slide pack too. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I think you can move a slide pack more towards the center. I don't know.
No, I mean the one,
3/8 inch right angle drill, you guys. Got an LED light up here. 3/8 chuck. The chuck is metal, but the ring is plastic.
Which I actually like.
I mean, I don't know. I like metal all the way.
I'm saying for a homeowner though, because a homeowner, you don't want to. You're not going to be working. I don't think you're going to be working on cars or stuff like that.
Right.
With that,
well, actually,
it might kind of protect the surface.
Oh yeah, I was just going to say that. Yeah, you could protect the surface. Big paddle trigger switch right here, you guys. 3-year warranty. I think it's again, we're touting this RYOBI HP stuff, you guys. We are not paid by RYOBI. They do not pay us. And it's like, I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. I think it's a great idea. Yes, there is a premium to this over the existing lineup, right? But you're getting power. You're getting the brushless.
And I think you're getting the size.
Right.
With all the brushless stuff they've been doing, like we were talking about before, the drill and the impact, awesome.
And you're saving copper.
You're saving copper.
That's an inside joke, guys. If you watch our channel, you know what we're talking about. So good stuff, you guys.
Look at this.
What?
Yeah, I was showing copper. See? All we had to do was look at a picture.
Yeah, there's pictures of copper on the box. We're so dumb, dude.
It was a long day one day, and we just did a video, and it's I don't know, but
it's a reason to unsubscribe. I tell you that. I know you didn't.
No way,
you didn't
stay
even
here
go
and
the
party
stats.
with us.
3.6 inch.
No, I didn't know that
leg.
was my responsibility.
What?
When you say I didn't read off the stats.
Oh, okay. Well, some people like to come here and get some kind of.
Well, I didn't know.
knowledge.
I was in my job duties.
Now
I didn't know.
You know, hey, at Tools in Action, we give everybody a chance to bitch at us. We got the guys thinking we're stupid with the copper. Now we got the guys thinking we're just reading off a box.
But we are.
We gotta get. Oh, we didn't get the unboxing, guys. That you guys just unboxed.
Here, just put it in and take it back out.
All right, yeah,
You
we're
know?
trying to make everybody irritated today, you guys. Basically,
We're pretty good at that, too.
3.6 inches right here, which is very compact,
yeah.
right?
Yep.
We should compare this to another one, the DeWalt. I think I have the DeWalt back there, actually. You know what? We're going to pause this because I am going to compare that, if I can find it. I can never find stuff. 350 inch-pounds of torque, 2-speed motor, you guys, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1700. That's going to help you with those drilling applications,
Pretty good,
right?
Pretty good specs.
Dude, these things come amazing. I mean, I want to see how this. We ran through some wood and stuff with it, but in an automotive use for this, man, just when you're putting on Jeep suspensions and stuff, dude, sometimes you have to drill holes. This would be the good one. We use the DeWalt. It would be a good one for it.
I gotta tell you, when I was doing my house, that thing came in, not this one, but a right angle came in handy so many more times than I ever
Why?
thought it would. For mechanical stuff, when we were doing, putting the air handler in, certain things like that, when I was trying to drill certain holes, just through wood, and I didn't have the hole hog.
Oh man,
I'm not saying it would go
hog.
through. No, I'm talking
But
about
it
the
wasn't
size
this
of the
tool.
hog. No, it wasn't that one. I'm not talking about the size. I'm talking about the space getting in there. I didn't have to drill like use a big auger bed, but I had to get in tight spots in between two studs, you know.
Right.
Because some of the studs, I had an old house, so some of the studs over the years have been right next to each other.
Right. Keep them entertained for. Give me 1 minute.
Dude,
Keep 'em
I don't know what to say.
entertained.
Hey, what do I do?
Dude, just talk.
I can't. I'm gonna do what you do.
Okay.
I gotta hide, guys. I can't do this by myself.
My man.
Let me get up the elevator there. Nice.
Wouldn't it be cool? I know. Eric gets
That'd be
scared
nice.
too, you guys.
Very scared.
Here is
Look
the
at this.
DeWalt.
Wow.
Wow, it's smaller than wow.
Well, let's see. Okay.
I mean,
Wow.
The DeWalt has this recess here,
Yeah.
which makes it the same, or if not a little bit. No, that's crazy. And you want to know something crazy? The DeWalt has a plastic ring too.
Mm-hmm.
The DeWalt's
The
thinner.
base is a little bit. Is
Yeah,
that
the
is that
DeWalt's
18
thinner.
or 12?
This is at 20.
I mean 20. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so
wow.
these are both 20 volts. You know what? We're gonna have Manny and Jose come over here and close their eyes and just pick one up. Here.
Let me go get 'em.
You know what? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Well, you can tell by weight, but which one do you like
Nice
better?
language.
Pick 'em up. Oh. Which one feels
Honestly,
nicer
I don't even
grip-wise?
can't tell weight wise. I mean, I feel like this is the RYOBI because it just feels newer.
This?
I mean, I'm guessing, yeah. Oh wow.
Dude.
Yeah.
Is that crazy?
Wow.
That was not pre-planned.
No, not at all.
All right,
I don't think there's much weight difference.
Let's go
Do
over
you
there.
honestly feel it? Close your eyes.
No, I mean this
Yeah,
one.
like, pick 'em up. I
This
don't
one
feel
feels
like-
a little more chunkier up in here. All right, you know what? We're going on a field trip, you
Let's
guys.
do it,
We're taking
yeah.
you next door.
We're not gonna even tell them what it's what.
No, we gotta have them close their eyes
Yes.
and take their pants off.
Yes.
Hold on, you guys. We got you. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. That's the shop lady sitting there. She just hangs out. What's up, shop lady? All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
All right, you gotta get Jose right here.
Jose, close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Okay, hold your hands out.
Yeah,
Keep
put
your
your
hands
hands out.
closed. Don't look. I'm
Put
serious.
them out. Tell us which one feels
Which
better.
one do you like better? Which one do you like
can't
better?
look.
Don't
man.
look. Which one do you like better?
This one.
Why?
We need it.
Dude, you look. You look, dude.
Oh.
All right, let's do it to Manny.
I think Manny already saw him.
Yeah, here I saw.
But it doesn't matter if you saw him. What?
Feels like this is the impact. It feels like something different here.
Really?
Like the drill.
All right, that made absolutely no sense. All right, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
we saw the impact, the little
All right, you guys, Eric. Oh, let's go
Randy.
Randy. Let's go to Randy. Oh, Randy's got music on.
Yeah.
Just hold your hands out. I want to know which
Okay.
tool feels better to you.
What one feels better? So we got, here's this one, and then we got this one in this hand.
Go to the triggers.
Yeah,
Put his hands on the triggers. They're long tools. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Which one do you like better?
This is the lightest.
Really?
Wow.
Which one just feels like ergonomic, like it's a better quality?
Ergonomic.
Yeah, which one feels better quality? Which one do you think is a professional and which one do you think is a home one? You just look. Randy.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.